Hey guys, I'm Ryan.
I'm Baran.
I'm Anna.
And today we're going to show you how we do our whole roasted fish. Awesome recipe, awesome presentation. We're going to cook the fish whole in the oven. Usually Baran and I catch what we cook, but today we ended up going to the store. So it's a little bit different from what you're used to, I think, but I think you're going to enjoy it. What do you think? What do you enjoy about this dish?
I like it because I love it actually because it reminds me of fishing, and it reminds me of the flavor is very good, and it reminds me of the food back up where my grandparents live in Turkey.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I
Yeah. What do you like about this recipe?
Make no eat and Mama get done eat the go and then go home and then wake up at like 8, 9, 10 and all night we go.
Yeah, that's a great point. Thanks for clearing that up for us. All right, let's go gather our ingredients and we'll show you how we're going to do this. Let's get started.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Okay guys, we've gathered our ingredients. Let's go over what you're going to need for this. First of all, you're going to need your whole fish. This is a ham bone snapper from Gulf of Mexico. This is about 3.5 pounds. You want to make sure it's fresh. You know, firm skin, clear eyes, no fishy smell. You want to have your fishmonger scale it, cut off the fins and remove the gills. If you're scaling it at home, a good tip is fill your sink up with water and scale it while it's submerged underwater. Otherwise that stuff, it's like glitter. You'll never get rid of it in your house. We've got some black olives, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I've got a couple ounces of dry white wine just to help it get steam a little bit. That's optional. I've got 4 limes, half a lemon, half an orange, a tablespoon of salt, some butcher's twine, some Italian flat leaf parsley, and some spring onions over here. So let's get set up. I'm gonna prep all these ingredients with the kids and we'll be back. All right, and we're done. So that roasted in a 400 degree oven for 30 minutes. Probably you can estimate maybe 10 minutes per pound of fish. And one thing about that prep, I put the butcher's twine on there. That step is not really necessary. It holds in the whatever you're stuffing the fish with, your aromatics, but also if you want to plate it like this and have the presentation of the whole fish like this, it's easier to pick it up and transport it to the plate using that string so it doesn't fall apart on you. What do you think? How does that look?
Looks amazing.
Does that look good?
Yeah.
Let's try it. All of that.
Oh, and oh,
So moist.
I got mine. I can get one.
That's okay. Here,
Here, I can't.
here. You want to get this?
No.
You can use your fingers.
This
Yeah.
is too hot.
Okay, ready?
No.
Get an olive too. That is so good.
Yeah.
That is so good. I agree with Bahram. It reminds me of being in Turkey with his grandparents. And you're walking up and down the fishing docks and you buy your fish from the fishermen and bring it to the restaurant and they cook it. That is awesome. All right, another success.
Yes.
That's
sir.
good. Whole roasted fish. Thanks for watching.